Hi everyone, welcome back to Pots, Pans, and Love. So for today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing video. Presto Fry Daddy stock number 05420. Oh guys, just a friendly reminder that this video is not sponsored or paid. I'm just sharing my own personal review and thoughts about this product. Now I ordered this deep fryer online on Amazon, and I remember this cost about $30 plus tax. Okay, so it comes with a snap-on storage lid, a plastic hand scoop, and here we have a extension cord to plug into the deep fryer. It comes with an instruction manual. Now the body is made out of heavy cast aluminum. Now I have here two types of oil. I have corn oil and peanut oil. For deep frying, I'm going to be using the peanut oil. So I'm going to use the deep fryer to make some home cooked corn tortilla chips. So first I'm going to prepare the fresh salsa, or salsa fresca as they call it. So I have here some fresh washed cilantro, Roma tomatoes, and white onions, lime. Okay, so once all the onion, tomato, and cilantro is chopped and sliced, I'm going to put it into a clear bowl and mix it all together. Okay, so sprinkle some black pepper, then some salt. Then we're going to squeeze some fresh lime juice. You can also use some lemon juice, whichever you prefer. Then I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to mix everything together, then set it aside, and then we're going to work on the bean dip. But guys, I would really appreciate it, guys, if you would like this video, subscribe to our channel. That would really help out this channel grow. Grab some corn tortilla. Now I'm going to cut these into little triangles. I mean, if you guys have a cookie cutter, you guys could even make cut it into different shapes like stars or circles or squares. I think that would be fun for kids to snack on. Okay, so let's work on the bean dip. I have here smooth refried beans, 16-ounce can. Also some cream cheese. Now this is 8 ounces. I'm only going to use 4 ounces, which is half of this.